Hello my dear students, are you excited today? Okay, today we are going to learn environment studies, right? And in that, today we are going to learn about something very important to our life. बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए वो. If it is not there, then our life would not be possible. कुछ problem यानी it was not easy going, right? Just think or just look around you, right? What can you see? What? Yes, we can see many things around us, you will say that, right? But while you go to park or garden or in your house backyard, what can you see? आप क्या देख सकते हो? Yes, plants, right? So today we are going to learn about plants around us, right? So in that lesson we are going to learn so many things about the plants. Okay, have you seen the plant? क्या देख सकते हो आप प्लांट में? आप क्या जस्ट हैव अ लुक अराउंड. आप गार्डन में जाते हो, रोड पे जाते हो, व्हेन यू गो टू एट योर हाउस ऑल्सो इफ देर आर स्मॉल गार्डन और प्लांट्स, देन व्हाट कैन यू सी? Does the plant look same? All the plants are looking the same. Now you can see in the picture also, right? I have selected some pictures. So are they all looking same? सब एक जैसे दिखते हैं? No, right? All plants doesn't look same. They are different from each other. वो different है ना? The color of the leaves, the flower and the size even, right? So they are different in all the ways. We can say that the plants are looking different, right? We can identify even, है ना? Right? So today we are going to learn about the plants and they are different. So according their size and their right characteristics, it is divided into some parts, right? So number first we'll learn about the types of plants. In that we are going to learn about first are trees. Have you seen? बोलोगे क्या बात कर रहे हो टीचर, देखा ही है ना, अभी तो बोला. Yes, right? We have seen a tree. How does it look? Small, right? No, right? It looks big, right? A big and tall plant. कैसा है बेटा? Big and tall plant with thick stems and strong. Thick and strong stems are called trees, है ना? Tree का stem कितना strong होता है? Can we move like this? No, right? So it is very strong and thick. So tall, big and tall with a thick and strong stems are called trees. Some of these are, you can see in the picture, peepal tree, ashok tree, neem tree and banyan tree, right? ये सब आपने देखा होगा. नीम ट्री आपने देखा होगा, आपके घर के आजू बाजू भी हो सकता है. So these are called trees. Now just whenever you go out, have a look and decide whether it is a tree, whether it is a stem is thick, strong, it is a tall, it is a big or not, right? Now number 2 will be shrubs and bushes. Now some plants, अभी हमने बोला ना different types of plants are there, all look different from each other. So some plants are much smaller than trees. Trees से कैसे होते हैं? छोटे होते हैं. And they have a woody stems. Woody means लकड़ी जैसा ज़्यादा, लकड़ी ज़्यादा और leaves कम. Woody stems, they are called shrubs and bushes. They are called shrubs and bushes. Tree से small, right? Tree से छोटा and with woody stems. With woody stems they are called shrubs and bushes. For example, आपके घर पे रोज प्लांट है? Right? We all like. आप जब स्कूल आते हो तब टीचर के लिए भी लेके आते हैं ना, टीचर को भी अच्छा लगता है. So rose plant is an example of shrubs and bushes. Then have you seen a cotton plant? If you not, then see in the picture, right? Cotton plant is also comes in shrubs and bushes. Then lemon plant and hibiscus plant. Now we will talk about some herbs, right? Some plants are very small. They are very small and they have very soft stems. Very soft stems, right? बहुत पतले से होते हैं. उनके stems means उसकी जो डाली होती है, उनके जो roots, जो wood का जो stem होता है, वो बहुत soft होता है. And they are called herbs. They are called what? Herbs. Like for example, spinach. पालक की भाजी खाते हो, हाँ, स्पिनच, दैट इज कॉल्ड हर्ब्स. कोरिएंडर, मम्मी बोलती है ना घर पे, कोथमीर है ना, राइट. कोरिएंडर लीव्स, दे आर ऑल्सो कम्स इन हर्ब्स. मिंट, that is also herb. Mint means pudina, right. Then grass, है ना, that is come under the herbs. Now we have learned three things, right. First we will revise that, then we will go further. Trees means what? Big, tall plant with a thick and strong stem. Then shrubs and bushes, क्या है? Smaller plant, then tree. ट्री से छोटा विथ वुडी स्टेम्स. एंड हर्ब्स, हर्ब्स में क्या है? सम प्लांट्स आर वेरी स्मॉल, छोटे से प्लांट, और उसके स्टेम्स आर वेरी सॉफ्ट, राइट. नाउ वील लर्न अबाउट द क्लाइंबर्स. वील लर्न अबाउट द क्लाइंबर्स. द वर्ड itself says, right, कि क्लाइंबर्स चढ़ते हैं, है ना, चढ़ना. सम प्लांट्स हैव वेरी वीक स्टेम्स. उसकी स्टेम्स कैसी होती है? बहुत वीक होती है. दे कैन नॉट स्टैंड बाय देयर ओन. वो अपने आप खड़े नहीं रह सकते जैसे हम खड़े रह सकते हैं, राइट. दे नीड सपोर्ट. दे नीड सम सपोर्ट टू स्टैंड. सो दे आर कॉल्ड क्लाइंबर्स. दे आर कॉल्ड क्लाइंबर्स. उसके एग्जाम्पल्स है ग्रेप वाइन. आप जो ग्रेप्स खाते हो ना, उसके प्लांट को क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रेप वाइन. और उसको, उसके स्टेम्स इतने वीक होते हैं कि वी नीड सपोर्ट. उसके लिए पूरे जगह पे आपको लकड़ी से उसको बनाना पड़ेगा. देन द प्लांट विल गो अराउंड एंड इट विल ग्रो. एंड सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज ऑफ अ बीन प्लांट, right. So here are the pictures, just have a look so it will be clear to you. Climbers means what? They need support, right, to stand. Their stems are very weak and they are not able to stand by their own. Now some plants are called creepers. Why are they called creepers? Creepers क्यों बोलते हैं उनको? क्योंकि वो they grow along with the ground. वो प्लांट के जैसे, जो भी ट्री है, प्लांट है, श्रब्स है, उसके जैसे दे आर नॉट अबव द ग्राउंड. वो ग्राउंड के ऊपर हमको नहीं दिखेंगे, बट दे आर अलोंग, दे ग्रो अलोंग विद द ग्राउंड. वो ग्राउंड के ऊपर ही रहेंगे. दे कैन नॉट स्टैंड इवन, राइट. सो दे आर कॉल्ड क्रीपर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पम्पकिन प्लांट. पम्पकिन देखा है आप सबने? कितना बड़ा होता है ना. अगर उसका मैंगो जैसा पेड़ होता तो, हाँ, इफ इट इज अ प्लांट इज लाइक अ मैंगो ट्री, देन व्हाट वुड हैपन? नहीं, इट इज नॉट. होगा पम्पकिन नीचे गिरा तो कोई गया, राइट. सो पम्पकिन प्लांट इज अ क्रीपर. एंड वाटरमेलन किसको पसंद है? इवन आई लाइक, एंड आई नो दैट यू ऑल मस्ट बी लाइकिंग इट, राइट. सो वाटरमेलन प्लांट इज ऑल्सो अ creeper. It is also called a creeper. Now just have a look. आज एक आपके लिए मैं सरप्राइज लेके आई हूँ. I have a surprise for you. You know what? Today between the lesson we are going to see one video. Okay, and after that video I will explain about the plants more, right? Just have a look. Now you all have seen the video. आप सबने वीडियो देखा बराबर. क्या देखा? Yes, it is a story of a seed. It is a story of a seed. हमने क्या देखा कि एक सीड में से कैसे प्लांट ग्रो होता है. How does the plant grow from a seed, right? Growing into a new plant. A seed is growing into a new plant, right? Most of the plant starts their life as a seed. जितने भी plants हम देखते हैं उसमें से most of them are starting their life with as a seed. A seed needs what? To grow in a plant. a seed needs air, water, sunlight and soil to grow into a new plant, right? आपने कभी प्लांट सीड डाल के ग्रो किया है? If not, then try, right? छोटा सा ट्राई करना, थोड़े से मूंग है या फिर or you can take a mustard seeds or a moong seed, just plant it in a small pot, water it, put it under a sunlight, every day just water it and get a fresh air, then after few days you will see a small plant growing, right? आपको छोटा सा प्लांट जैसे वीडियो में देखा ना वैसे आपको दिखेगा, a small plant will grow. So a seed needs what to grow? Air, water, sunlight and soil to grow. Now we have learned about the plants, right? Types of plants under the trees, shrubs and bushes, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now all these plants are very useful to us. They are very useful to us. You will be saying, how teacher? Plants कैसे useful है? You all must be knowing it too, right? Do you eat vegetables and fruits? From where does it come? कहाँ से आता है? Yes, we get the vegetable, fruits, even the rice, dal, cereals, all that from the plants, right? So plants gives us food, right? Such as fruits, vegetables, grains, rice, dal, moong, so many things we get from the plant. Even plants give us medicines, है ना? आपने घर पे भी देखा होगा, right? You must have noticed that if you have a little cold or you are not feeling well, mommy, what will mommy will tell? Go and have 2-3 leaves of tulsi, right? So tulsi is a medicinal plant. Even the ardusi आपके घर पे अगर है या फिर otherwise parents will arrange if you have a cold and cough, right? Like that, they are the simple plants which we are having, but so many plants, other plants are also there. They are used as a medicines. Now plants give us medicine. Then plants give us wood for making our tables and chairs, right? आपके घर पे जो टेबल है, चेयर है, वो जो भी फर्नीचर है, मोस्ट ऑफ द फर्नीचर आर इज मेड ऑफ अ वुड. और वो कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? प्लांट्स, राइट? वो प्लांट्स में से वुड कट करते हैं और उसमें से ये बनाते हैं. व्हेन यू कम टू द स्कूल, बेंचेस, right, made of a wood, and that so the plants give us wood to make furnitures like a table, chair, bench, bed, sofa, etc. So many things, right? Then plants give us cotton. Wow, what the use of cotton? Are you wearing a cotton clothes? Yes, so plants give us cotton to make clothes, right, for making the clothes. Now the gum and paper which you use, did you notice that they are made of plants? आपकी बुक के पीछे भी कई बार लिखा होता है, right? है ना? आप देखना आज आपकी बुक के पीछे ट्री ड्रॉ किया होगा, and they must save trees, do not cut the trees, and recyclable है, ऐसा सब कुछ लिखा है. So they plants give us gum and paper. Then plants give us shade. है ना? बहुत धूप लगती है. If we go out and we feel very hot or sometimes it's raining, what we do? We stand or sit under the tree. What does it provide? A shade, right? छाँव देता है हमें. Then plants give us food and shelter to birds and animals. You must have seen that some animals sit under the tree. Even the birds make their nest under the tree, right, on the tree. And this is how the plants give shelter to the animals and the food to the animals too. Plants make the air clean. Whatever we are taking in breathe, हम जो breathe करते हैं वो clean air कैसे मिलता है? Due to the plants, right? Plants उसके पास the bad air quality, bad air they takes in and the good air gives us back. So we should plant more trees and look after them well. हमें बहुत सारी trees को उसका क्या करना चाहिए? use grow करनी चाहिए and we should take care of them. We should not cut them, right? We should not cut them. Now we have learned about the importance of and uses of plant, right? They are very important to our life because first they give us a fresh air to breathe. हम उससे क्या कर सकते हैं? हम जो breathe करते हैं, हम air जो है हमारे आजू बाजू, that is very clean because of plant only, right? If we will cut, then we will not able to get the clean air. If we cut the plants, then we are not going to get the fruits, vegetables and so many things which we have learned in uses of plants, right? The plants are very important to us. We should not cut them, we should not harm them. उसको नुकसान नहीं करना चाहिए. नुकसान कैसे करते हैं? While we go out and we see any plant, we pluck. तोड़ते, pluck means तोड़ना, right? We pluck the flower or we pluck the fruit or we pluck the branch of a plant, वो उसको तोड़ देते. We should not do that, right? We should not harm the plant. We should not cut down the trees. We should not cut down the trees. Otherwise, what will happen? Rain will not come. Because of plants, we get rain also, we get good quality air also, clean air also. So, we should not cut them. We should grow more plants. We should grow more plants at our home and look after them because they are our friends. Because plants are our friends too, right? I hope you have understood the importance of plants and its uses, right? So, please don't cut them, don't harm them. At least try to grow one plant, right? Try to grow a plant at your home. Okay, children. Thank you.